Hi guys, you remember when I said that I have a few models that I can fold stand? Well, there's a lot of models that can be turned into a fold stand. First, fold it half. It's gonna be something like this. And fold in here, so something like this. We're not done yet. And inside here, then you fold it half like this. So you should end up something like this. Fold it half. Fold it half like that. So then you will have to, fold up like this. So like this. Okay? When you're done, hold up, push, fold both of them into the center, and we're almost done. I think this is like the 13th fold or something, I don't know. There. And look. Ta-da. Okay, now you're trying to connect it, but it's kind of really hard when you do it, because yours might not be perfect like mine. I didn't get it perfect, but I'm sure I'll get it perfect next time. But I'll try connect. Oh, there. Look. Almost. Pirouette. Oh, okay. And it's almost done. There. Okay. And look. It can hold your phone. You can hold your phone sideways, and hold your phone upside down too. Can a bit, but for this, it's good. Okay. See you later. Bye.